Hey guys, Pablo here, and welcome to a brand new video in which we're going to talk about a project that is called WeDream. This is an augmented reality company that is launching their NFT project. In this video, we're going to learn what this project is. It's a metaverse project, and I'm going to make another video, a walkthrough video through their metaverse project, through the metaverse that they have built. It's based on the augmented reality technology, so you don't have to get any headsets or any other stuff. You just have to use your smartphone and an internet connection, and that's all you need. So we're going to discuss every single thing about this project. We're going to talk about their NFT and the benefits and the privileges that you get from there, because they're building their NFT community, and then afterwards they're going to have their token launched by the end of 2022. So we're going to discuss all these things in this video. Make sure that you stick around till the end, and if you have any question, of course, you can ask me in the comment section. And basically, yeah, just know that this is not going to be an investment or a financial advice. It's completely up to you to invest in any project that you want to. With this being said, let's move straight to the project. Now, there are a lot of explanations on why the Facebook metaverse failed or did not perform as it was supposed to. But one of the biggest reasons was that it relied on people buying the VR headsets, which are pretty expensive. And there's not a lot of places that you can use that for because the metaverse are still developing. So people were just not ready to put down their investments into buying expensive VR headsets. And that's why the Facebook metaverse didn't perform as it was expected to. And the stock market crashed, and we have that whole news in the past. So one thing that is for sure is that if you are developing a project, like from that incident, we learned this thing that if you're developing a project, it should be on something that it should be based on the technology that people already have. They don't have to spend extra on getting the technology for it, which is the reason why I think this project poses a really good potential, because it uses our smartphones. Their metaverse is based on the augmented reality technology, which we already have that on our mobile phones. You played the game called Pokemon Go that relied completely on the augmented reality, so everyone have this technology available on their phones. You don't need any kind of extra investments. And yeah, so this is basically I think the biggest reason why I think it'll be a success. There's a lot of mobile applications that are becoming a success. For example, TikTok, because people already had smartphones, they already had internet connection, there was no other requirement for them, and these are the reasons why they're performing really good. So this is what's going to happen in this one. You don't need any extra stuff. It's pretty simple. All you're going to use is your smartphone and an internet connection. You'll be using augmented reality for this metaverse. You get this tool, the builder tool called, I think, the Dream Builder, which you use like you're in the space. Like there's a video actually that you can watch. You can get that from their documents somewhere, I think from the platform. This is right here. So you can watch this video that they have. It basically explains the entire thing, and not just that it explains the entire thing, but it actually shows the entire thing, how this metaverse actually looks like. So you can see we are in the real world, but we can place our items in there using the Dream Builder. So if you are a creator, you create the server, you can apply different things on there, you know, make the environment or put objects and stuff like those. So you can get these items from the marketplace, which is an extra discussion that we're going to have, like how can creators create their objects on there, and then they can sell that to, they can use the, you know, the marketplace. So as you can see, it is pretty simple. Like you don't have to be an expert in the application to build this. It has a very simple user experience. So with this, people can create servers, people can create those environments through which they can socialize. They can the brands can connect with their customers. You can have events, like all sorts of things that we see in metaverse. You can do that like over there using the AR technology. And they talk about the user experience that you can read about over here. What you get in this one first, if you can see over here, if you come back here, this is how you look like in a metaverse. So you have your avatar, which looks like this. Then you have some sort of hat and those other equipments and boots and a cape, and there's like extra stuff that you can have on there. Now when you move your phone, this avatar moves in the augmented reality, and if you bow down, the avatar in the metaverse bow down, or if you jump, it jumps. So that's how it basically works. It just kind of like calculate the movement of the smartphone, and based on this it moves in the metaverse, which is pretty exciting. It's pretty insane. So your smartphone controls your avatar, linking their physical space and real world movement to the avatar's movement in the shared experience. So you have other example over there. And then we have the creator experience. So we talked about how using the Dream Builder tool, using the world builder, it's actually called the world builder. You can load different environments, interactive game components, and other objects to customize and create the space you want. Creators can also develop and design new objects and interactions using the workbench, and then sell these items to other users on the WeDream marketplace. So not only that you can use these equipments or these objects or designs that are, some are operational, some are just like objects. You can use that in your metaverse, in your platform, in your server that you have created. But you can also, if you're a creator, you can create those objects using the workbench, and you can sell those in the marketplace. So this is like I would say a user run economy through which we create, or users create objects and stuff, and the users utilizes those objects. They trade with each other, and a part of the revenue of course goes to the company. And this brings us to one of the most important aspects of the Founder Pass NFT, because the holders of this Founder Pass NFT gets a share from the revenue. It's like they're owning a share in the company. But of course we're going to talk about that in detail when we talk about the Founder Pass NFT. So we have the open market creators economy. We just discussed that. So before we get into the Founder Pass NFT collection, again, the project is very well established. The developers have been working on this app for almost like 2 years now. So they have put their solid investments down, and their solid investment of time and effort down to make this app, and it is almost functional. There's like an alpha release that will be happening very, very soon, and I'm probably gonna make another video on the functional app, where we'll have this walkthrough of the project, not the project, the metaverse. We'll have the walkthrough of the metaverse. So I'll probably drop down that video too afterwards when they have the alpha release, so you can take a look at it by yourself by then too. And they already have received millions of dollars from the early investors that have put down their confidence in the project. So they are like a solid invested project to build all these things. They're not empty promises. And of course it'll be proven when I do the walkthrough video. So you can see that they're not like building a very small game and then doing a lot of marketing to prove that it's a very big thing like usual projects do. In this one, the project, or the product that they have developed is pretty insane. It's very, very functional. It is real, it's completely original, and it poses a really good potential to become something really big, and it surely will, because everyone have access to it like whenever it goes live. Now let's talk about the Founder Pass NFT collection. Now this Founder Pass NFT collection, it'll be limited to like 1,000 token collection that provide holders with different benefits and different privileges, and which is right here. So first is that you get the ownership in the company, WeDream Augmented Reality company Buster AR Incorporation. So this gives you the kind of like a share in the company, that it allows you to participate in revenue share that the company generates. And there will be more information on this soon. You get early platform access, and you get unique item airdrops. And when they launch the Dream token by the end of 2022, they'll be giving regular drops of Dream token to the NFT holders. So you can be the first one to test the alpha. You can receive unique item drops, and you can participate in the feedback sessions of that. Of course, is going to shape the WeDream platform. And you get real world founders merchandise. Not only this, you get also like invited into in real life special events that are hosted by the WeDream, and you also get real world founders merchandise that you can kind of like show off that you're involved in a company and you kind of like own a share in this. So of course it is a matter of proud, and you also get a share of the revenue, you get early access, you get unique item drops, you get token drops whenever it launches, and you're gonna get like there's a lot of the stuff too. So based on all these things, it definitely is a good choice and a sensible choice to get this, Founder Pass NFT collection, because you don't really see a lot of these promising projects these days. Like, you're gonna see a lot of projects that are based on kind of like empty promises. Like, they just promise they're gonna develop a game, but they never actually develop it. So this, I think, makes this really amazing. We have talked about all these things, like 1% ownership in the company. You can get the revenue share from what the company generates. You could get early platform access, and you get unique item drops, and you get real world founders merchandise. Now, the Discord currently is closed, but if you come to the description, I'll provide a Discord link that will let you join the server. So that's the exclusive link you can get from the video description, but for now it's like currently closed. You can follow them on Twitter so you can keep yourself updated on what's happening with the project. And this is the team that you can see is completely doxed. It's completely well developed, and as I mentioned before, the developing team has been working on this application for almost like 2 years now. So they have put their solid investment of time and effort down for this application to be successful. We do have a video. Make sure that you watch this so you can have an idea on what's going to happen in this one. We have an in-app marketplace which people are going to use. People who create the items, the designs, they can sell goods there, which will be of course NFTs, and people can buy those, and the company of course gets the revenue from there. And if you have the Founder Pass NFT, you get a share from that revenue. And you can get different items from the marketplace, and also you can even monetize the room itself. So you can place tickets on the rooms, and you get you earn from people joining the room. And then we're gonna have the WeDream currency, that is the Dream token, and you can use the Dream token. You can purchase it using the US dollar, Ethereum, Bitcoin, etc. And anyone can convert Dream back to the real world currency, because this will be used in the play to earn concept. People will be able to earn Dream token through the the application, and then they can convert it to the real world asset, real world currency, or they can just use it in the platform to buy other designs, other equipments and stuff like those. So we're gonna have other utilities for this token itself too, which will be launching by the end of 2022. So for now, the most important things is their Founder Pass NFT, which is going to give you exclusive privileges that you're not gonna get later on, and there's like limited amount of NFTs, so make sure that you do not miss this. Now we have all the other information here about the workbench that you're going to use to create those equipments, those environments and stuff. You have the Dream Builder, through which you're going to make your own server. You can place items on there and stuff like those. Pretty good user experience in this one. And then we have the token, the Dream token, which is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain. They'll be launching by the end of 2022. It'll be used to purchase objects, items, perks, content, experiences and more. And the Founder Pass NFT holder will be getting drops of these tokens on like regular basis, and through this platform you'll have the ability to earn Dream token through their play to earn model. And you can purchase Dream token using USD, Ethereum, Bitcoin, etc. Now if we talk about their roadmap, which is probably not here on their official website, although you can put down your username and your email address so you can get you can join the waitlist on when they have the alpha release. In phase 1 we had all these things, basically the development of the project, the app, all the things which are done. And then in phase 2 they launched their social media handles, they launched their website, and then build the initial NFT community, which we're currently at. So now they are building the community based on the Founder Pass NFT, because this is the only thing that currently we can use, currently we can buy, currently we can invest in this project, because the token is launching by the end of 2022. So now they're building the NFT community, and then they're gonna mint the Founder Pass NFTs. Then they're gonna have the alpha release, which will be early access only, and if you have the Founder Pass NFT you get the early access. And then they're going to be in-app hangouts, concerts and games. There will be merch store launch. They're gonna have NFT NYC WeDream sponsored after party, and then NFT augmented reality auction house. In the phase 3 they're gonna launch the marketplace and the inventory with NFT enabled. Then they're gonna release the Dream coin, which will be by the end of the 2022, and they're gonna begin airdrop to the Founder Pass holders. And then they're gonna release exclusive Founder Pass accessories, which will be NFTs too. Then they're gonna launch the workbench, through which you can create those items and all those things in the metaverse. And then they're gonna launch the Dream Builder, which you're going to use to place items and shape the whole environment in your server. And then they're going to go for the beta release, and then special NFT event parties, and then Founder Pass NFT holder revenue share distribution. So this is going to start in the phase 3, and then they're going to announce the roadmap 2.0. And this basically, I think, is complete information that I have for you guys in this project. You can expect another video. There'll be the walkthrough of this project, of the platform itself, of the metaverse itself. So we're going to take a look at it, and I think that'll be much better. But do not miss their Founder Pass NFT. Make sure that you follow them on Twitter, and you also join the Discord server so you can be notified on when they start minting. So make sure that you do not miss that. And yeah, make sure that you check the description for all the links, and I'll see you guys in the next video shortly. So stay tuned. Disclaimer: trading digital assets involve significant risk and can result in the loss of your invested capital. You should ensure that you fully understand the risk involved and take into consideration your level of experience, investment objectives, and seek independent financial advice if necessary. It is up to you whether to invest or not.